Good night, people. I got this new Coco 2. It's a French color computer 2, a Peritel version with RGB output, as you can see here. It doesn't have a radio frequency output. Instead, it has a mini-DIN 8 that goes for the SCART RGB connectors. And it comes with 16K, and I modded to 64. But something strange happened with the mod. I'm gonna show you. It's the most impressive case of memory persistence I ever seen in the history of computers. So basically, I'm going to take it up just to show you how I'm gonna proceed. I'm gonna boot. Okay. Warm boot. It is 50 hertz because it's French, but it's RGB. It's amazing, crispy. It's incredible. I'm gonna make a simple program. Okay, let's do it. Oh, sorry. It's an Azert keyboard. You see, it's freaking damn complicated to type something on it, but we get used to it. Oops, sorry. Typing with one hand. So let's run my simple program. Okay, shows the contents of the video run. Then we will turn this thing off. Okay, nice. I just turned it off. Let's turn it on. Code boot. No, sorry, warm boot. So let's check. Program is there. So let's turn it off again. Okay, so you don't believe me, so I'm going to remove the power supply. It's already kind of unplugged. Okay. So let's plug it again to see if it makes any difference. And none. Oh, sorry, press clear. The program is there. Let's run it. It's running. Great, huh? So, turn it off again. Let's wait some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ta-da! Still there. It's unbelievable. So let's do something. Dushu, come here, Dushu. This is my dog, Dushu. Where is the? Where is my dog? Good boy, good boy. Good boy. We just need to make some time. Just buy some time. Do something. Roll. Okay. Do a better roll. Go, Dushu. Dushu. Yeah, my boy. Okay, let's start it out again. Come on. It's unbelievable. It's what I have here, a super cap. I can't believe it because the thing I did was replacing then to 24464 DRAMs, okay, as you can see here, and also I shorted the 64K jumper here, but since I installed this DRAM, I test with other DRAMs. This thing happens. It's and I have to wait like 2 minutes. It's let's wait. Let's see how long should I wait. Hey, Dush, come here again. Dush. Hey, my boy. He's my little companion. Whenever I'm here in the basement, he's with me. Making noisy. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Huh? Where's the cat? Hey, Chushu. Where's the cat? Mia. Where's the cat? What about this? Let's see. Oh, come on! It can't be true! What the fuck? It's unbelievable. It's like I don't know. We should wait again. How long? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? I have to wait like 4 minutes to get it. It's unbelievable. Hey, douche. Let's play again. Oh, more. Okay, let me show you my collection here. I have here a Panasonic WSX. It's the MSX2 Plus. It has a built-in floppy drive and it's pretty amazing computer. I have here my Coco 3 with a multi-pack. Have a FT502 and several cards here. My Coco 2B, which is here. I have 2 floppy drives units. One is 502 and 501. I placed the 3.5 inch. I have a TV for artifact colorings and RF video. I have this, which does super video for the Coco 2. This is a Sony PVM I use for RGB, super video, PAL frequencies, everything else. Bunch of diskettes. Here I have my Tunnel Dragon. I have a Coco 1 here, cassette. I have another Coco 2 there, Commodore 64. Yeah, I think it's several things here, bunch of things, cards. That's it. Alright, oh, the Coco 2. Let's see. What the fuck? Ah! It lost. It starts to fade in. It didn't fade out completely, but it starts to losing something. So let's do a poke. So next time I boot, there you go. So that's it. The most impressive memory persistence in history. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.